Galileo Galilei was a scientist from Italy. In his time, Galileo's theory caused a lot of controversy, but he was able to prove and justify his discoveries based on logic and facts. The name Galileo Galilei is often known as a figure who played a role in the scientific field, especially astronomy. Galileo Galilei, born in Pisa in 1564, studied at the University of Pisa, but economic reasons required him to stop. Several years later, Galileo continued his education at the University of Padua until 1610. While he was at the University of Padua, Galileo did a lot of research and made important discoveries. He also made innovations in telescopes. The telescope that Galileo had developed could unlock the secrets of the universe and prove his theory, namely heliocentricity. Even though he had proven and presented the facts, he was still opposed by the Church. In fact, the Church took action to prohibit Galileo from spreading the heliocentric hypothesis in 1616. Due to Galileo's actions in discovering new ideas, he was sentenced to be locked up at home and not allowed to be visited by anyone. Discoveries Galileo Galilei was a scientist who was very instrumental in making several contributions to science. One of his most popular discoveries in the field of astronomy was the theory of astrology. At that time, local people believed that the center of the solar system was the Earth, namely geocentric. But not for Galileo. He considered the Sun to be the center of the Earth, namely heliocentric. Not alone, his opinion was the same as Copernicus' opinion, but Galileo still could not prove his opinion well. Not only astrology theory, he also provided innovation in the telescope, a tool for viewing celestial objects. The innovation in the telescope is 3 times magnification, and a telescope with 32 times magnification. With the telescope he had developed, he was able to prove that the center of the solar system was the Sun and not the Earth. Not only that, he also stated that the Moon is uneven, filled with craters and mountains. Galileo Galilei's discoveries, including the law of inertia, telescope innovation, astronomical observations and proof of heliocentrism. Galileo Galilei also applied the framework to research according to quantitative calculations, and conducted experiments to prove its validity. This method is the basic basis of the scientific method. Galileo Galilei died on January 8, 1642 in Arcetri, Italy, leaving behind many discoveries.